Processing makes it very easy to capture clicks from the mouse or from the keyboard and such like, and it does this by using what are called events. Now, when an event happens, whether that's the mouse being clicked or being dragged or a key being pressed, processing will look for a specific method and then act on that method or function to carry out what's in there in response to the action that's just been performed. So far in our code, we've been redrawing the line every frame. Every time it runs draw, then we've been redrawing this particular line. Maybe what we want to do, and just to demonstrate this, we should just redraw the line when the mouse is clicked. So in order to do this, I don't want to redraw it every time, so I'll actually do nothing in my draw function, and instead I'll use the mouse clicked function and only work when the mouse is clicked. Now you can see a whole load of different options in the reference section. If we look here, then you can see all the different methods for the mouse. So there's mouse buttons, mouse being clicked, mouse being dragged, and so on. Read the reference material to work out how to use those and think how you might want to use them in any interactive program. Let's go back to our code. What we've done is we've changed the draw every time to only draw when the mouse is clicked. It's going to call the mouse clicked method, and let's see what the difference actually is. I think I'm also going to just change that background a little to make it clearer to see against the white. So let's go for a pale blue. And then we should be able to see the borders of the box as well. We'll stay with the red line though. Let's go and wait for that window to appear. Okay, here's our window. Let's just make that a little bigger so we can see it on the screen. And that lovely pale blue colour is what we're interested in. So if I go back to that window, now you can see the mouse pointer. And at the moment, nothing's happening. There is no line. I'm not clicking the mouse. If I click the mouse, it now draws a line to where the mouse pointer was. It's not following the mouse anymore because we're not doing it every frame. We're not doing this in the draw function. We're doing it in the mouse clicked function. When I click again, you can see that I can control exactly where that is. Now if I click and drag a little, then click drag, it doesn't work. It needs you to click and remain still. That's when the mouse clicked event is called. You can use these events to control how the user decides what's going to happen in your program, and when you get that input you can decide in your program how you're going to deal with it. Work out whether it was clicked over a particular button or a particular shape and behave accordingly.